Hey, it's Terry from Terry's Health and Fitness. Hope everybody enjoyed the 30-day challenge. Now we're going to move on to something called WOW, Workout of the Week. It's going to be one cardio move, one combo move, and then an ab move. So let's get started. First cardio move is a jump rope. You pretend you have a jump rope in your hand, and you're going to jump in place. If this is too easy and you want a bit more of a challenge, then we're going to do something called a double under. Again, you're going to imagine you have a jump rope in your hand, but this time you're going to jump higher and imagine passing the jump rope under your feet twice before you land again, like this. Do that move or the regular jump rope move for 60 seconds. Then we're going to move on to the combination move. It's a split squat with a military press. Bring your arms up. You're going to go down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come down, hold the squat, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to do that move for a minute on each leg. Also, when doing the squat, please be careful. Never let that knee come past the toe, okay? Now on to our last move, which is the ab move, a long lever crunch. Keep your left leg bent, your right leg fully extended. Extend your arms over your head, and you're going to bring everything up. 1, 2, 3. And then you do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Each side 10 times. Then I want you to extend both your legs and bring them both up. 1, 2, 3. And I want you to do that 10 times also. And that's it. That's the WOW Workout of the Week. Come back next week. We'll have a new one for you. Thanks. Have a great night.